Alright guys, here we are in Slime RNG. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the newest working codes that you can redeem right now in 2026 for some awesome free rewards. We've got a massive list of brand new Slime RNG codes to go through today. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because you definitely do not want to miss any of these working codes. Some of them are super new and could expire at any time. So redeem them while you still can. Giveaway section. But quickly before we get into all of these codes, I'm doing a huge giveaway in Slime RNG. I'll be giving away items, game passes, and more from the shop to lucky winners. If you want a chance to win, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your Roblox username along with what item or reward you want. It's super easy to enter. And yes guys, I've got tons of Robux ready to give away. So make sure you don't miss your chance. Codes intro. Anyway, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into these new Slime RNG codes for 2026. How to redeem codes. So guys, if you do not know how to redeem codes in Slime RNG, don't worry because I'll show you exactly what to do. First, go ahead and open up the shop menu on the side of the screen. After that, scroll all the way down until you find the code section. Once you're there, simply type or paste any of the codes that I show in this video into the code box. Then press the redeem button to claim your free rewards instantly.